Do you have to put your home for sale? The list of renovation is getting bigger and bigger, and you're wondering, is it worth it? The stress of living through a renovation is not something you're looking forward to. Are the financial gains worth the strain of a renovation? In today's video, we will talk about 3 factors you should consider when deciding if you should invest in renovations or not, so you can make an informed decision if you want to ride the wave. If we haven't met before, my name is Faiza Salim, and I'm your local realtor that specializes in helping families upsize their home with the least amount of stress in the city of Markham. Let's dive into the video. Trying to decide whether to sell your house as is or invest in repairs is a choice, and there are 3 factors you should consider. Number 1, what is the state of the real estate market right now? Is it a seller's market or is it a buyer's market? In a hot real estate market, homes may sell in days, gathering multiple offers and even bidding wars. In a seller's market, you can usually get away with fewer fixes before selling. In a buyer's market, buyers might not even bother to look at a home that needs work. They likely will want to get in a move-in ready house, which means you as a seller has to work a little bit harder to get the house show ready. Second factor that you should consider is what's the condition of competing homes for sale. A comparative market analysis, CMA, offers an overview of recently sold homes in your area. Your agent should be able to provide you with a CMA, which will help you get a sense of whether your home offers more or less than the similarly situated homes in your neighborhood. You can also take a walk in your neighborhood and look at the condition of the homes. What amenities do they offer? Let's say if most of them have upgraded kitchens, you should concentrate on fixing your kitchen. These homes are your competition. That doesn't mean you have to buy designer appliances and tear out the cabinets, but a minor kitchen remodel might be a good investment. Sometimes simply changing the paint on an oak cabinet to a trendy color and installing updated hardware can give your kitchen an all-new look. The third factor you should consider is define your target audience. Start thinking about your home as a product. What demographic will your product target? What will the future buyer want from it? For example, let's say if your house is less than 2,000 square feet and it's in a quiet residential subdivision with good schools, your target is more than likely young families. That means the prospective buyer would want a turnkey home. If the buyer has a young child, they probably don't want to go through the renovation process and would rather pay a little extra for a space they can move in right away. If you think this is the case, then consider renovating. You will see a good return on your investment. Now that you know the 3 factors to consider if you should renovate or sell your house as is, you may also be interested in my next video where I talk about things you need to disclose about your house to the potential buyers. If you have any questions or comments about the information I covered today, please go in the comment section below and let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you soon.